Imagine yourself in this 2018 Kia Soul Base. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 130 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock, in-radio display, cruise control and external temperature display. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.